Removal of OVD ophthalmic visco-surgical devices. Since OVDs often remain behind the IOL, it is recommended to insert an eye and a tip under the IOL for aspiration, but for beginners it is a high hurdle and offers an alternative. Place the tip of the eye and a tip in the center of the front of the IOL to maximize the suction pressure and suck the OVD. Since the OVD has a viscous force, the OVD behind the IOL is also sucked together with the OVD in front of the IOL. At this time, the IOL is violently shaken, which is a sign that the OVD has been sucked. The OVD may remain partially, but if you perform 360-degree suction along the edge of the IOL with the suction port of the eye and a tip facing down, the rest will also be sucked. At this time, the IOL oscillates, so it is a sign that the OVD has been removed. In addition, if the boundary between the partially remaining OVD and the perfusate can be clearly confirmed, ODV can be aspirated by applying suction near the edge of the IOL. The dispersive OVD attached to the posterior surface of the cornea is so sticky that it cannot be completely aspirated. Fortunately, it is unlikely to cause infection or high intraocular pressure, so leave it. The OVD remaining under the IOL may be observed as a linear shadow. When it is removed, the IOL will be shaken, and the shadow will disappear immediately after that, so you can confirm the removal. In this case, the OVD under the IOL is slowly aspirated.